A power of appointment authorizes a designated individual to dispose of specified property. The person creating the power is called the donor, whereas the person receiving it is called the donee. If the power is a general power of appointment, the donee can give the property to anyone. A special power of appointment, however, limits the donee's authority. In Beals v. State Street Bank and Trust, the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court considered how a donee could exercise a power of appointment. Arthur Hunnewell's will left the residual of his property in a trust that paid its income to his wife during her lifetime. After Mrs. Hunnewell died, the trust property was divided into 3 portions, one for each of the Hunnewells' surviving daughters. Each daughter received the trust income from her share during her lifetime. Hunnewell's will granted each daughter a general power of appointment to dispose of her share of the trust principal as she directed in her own will. If a daughter didn't exercise this power, Hunnewell's will directed that her share of the trust property be distributed according to intestacy law. Following Mrs. Hunnewell's death, her daughter Isabella had the trustees transfer most of her share of the trust property to an account managed by her husband. Thereafter, a small amount of property remained in Isabella's share of the trust. Later, Isabella partially released her general power of appointment over the remaining trust property, to the extent that the power allowed her to distribute her share to anyone other than Arthur's surviving descendants. When Isabella died, her will didn't mention her power of appointment. The will's residuary clause left the remainder of Isabella's estate to her deceased sister Margaret's descendants. If the residuary clause exercised Isabella's power of appointment, Margaret's descendants would take all of Isabella's share of the remaining trust property. But if Isabella's will didn't exercise the power, then under intestacy law, Margaret's descendants would take half of Isabella's share, while Isabella's sister Jane's estate would also take half. The trustees petitioned the probate court for instructions on how to distribute Isabella's remaining share of the trust property. The probate court reported the case to the appeals court on the pleadings and stipulated facts. The Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court transferred the case to itself for decision.